Hi, good afternoon, and welcome to the University of Houston. My name is Jonas Chin, and I'm a program coordinator for University Services. We're glad and excited that you can be part of our Houston Cougar family, especially at this time. So congratulations and welcome to the University of Houston. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about where this university is going and a little bit about University Services and what we can offer to you as part of the Houston Cougar family. First of all, we have the basics: books, vending machines, dining, parking and transportation. At the university, we currently have a partnership with Barnes & Noble, and with that partnership comes a 10% discount for all faculty and staff employees. But before you do that, I hope that you'll come to visit us here at the Welcome Center, Cougar Card Office, to get your Cougar card. It's very simple, hassle-free, and Ms. Taryn Daly is going to take care of you over here at the counter. Once you get this, all you have to do is go to the Barnes & Noble off of West Holcomb and Buffalo Speedway, or the one off of Baybrook Mall off of Bay Area Boulevard, and you can receive that 10% discount. It's a great program, and we're glad that we have this partnership with Barnes & Noble. Second, we have a great partnership with the Copy Center. If you're a faculty member and need some copies done, they do a great job next door to the Cougar Card office here at the Welcome Center. Mr. Roddy Chambliss is the manager over there who will take care of you, and you can receive up to a 10% discount. Third, we have a great partnership with Coca-Cola and over 226 different vending machines on campus. Now, sometimes there are some hiccups, and maybe those machines will take some of your money. Well, we want to make sure you get that money back, and that's why we have these black labels on every single vending machine. So give us a call, send us an email, let's make sure that you get your money back. And now the part that I always love talking about, where this university is going, with University Services and the different areas that we're improving. Parking and transportation. Over 90% of this school currently commutes to campus, and the reality of it is we have 37,000 students, with 50,000 students coming in and out of these doors on a daily basis. And we need your help. Just come to work on time. That way you can find a parking spot. Once you do that, I'm sure you'll be okay with parking. However, if you come past 10 o'clock, it may be kind of tough. Visit us at uh.edu/parking if you have any further questions about permit prices, maps about campus, or where you can get around. Now, we do have free parking options on this campus. We have one off of Wheeler, which is at Wheeler Avenue Baptist Church. We have one with partnership with Texas Southern University off of Rosewood and Scott. It's called the Satellite Parking. And for the remainder of this semester at Energy Research Park, also known as ERP, you can park for free off of 5000 Gulf Freeway and take a shuttle up to campus. It usually is around a 12-minute route. So every 12 minutes you should see a Cougar Line shuttle. For the times and all this information, again, visit us at uh.edu/parking. We're also making revolutionary steps for the city of Houston in bringing in these metro light rails. And as you can see off of Wheeler, we're already seeing construction. Now what's happening is, that's called the Southeast Corridor, and in a couple of years, what we're going to see is a downtown route coming through the University of Houston, down Wheeler, all the way down to Griggs. And then after that, we also hope to establish the University Line, which would go directly to the Galleria area. So you'll definitely be seeing some major changes and be part of the revolution of transportation here on this campus. So that's transportation and parking. But what about dining? What about eating? You got to eat right here at the University of Houston. After all, we always say, eat 'em up, go Cougs, go. Well, we heard you were coming, and so we thought we'd step up our game. We have the income. You're going to love this. We have the incoming Fresh Food Company for our Moody Towers Dining Hall starting in August 2010. And what this calls for is a total gut out and renovation of our current Moody Towers. No more of this mess hall kind of cafeteria look. No more of the standing in line and just getting of food from the regular old lines like Luby's or Claiborne's. What you're going to see is something like, well, made to order, Benihana style. Imagine 8 different stations in a dining hall, going to your chef and saying, I want this, I want that in it, and they cook it in front of you. You're going to know exactly what goes into your food. We're really excited about this because the University of Houston is going to have the largest facility in the entire United States of America, and you're going to be part of it. Now let's say you don't want to eat there at Moody Towers Dining Hall next semester, or maybe you get tired of it every once in a while. Well, that's okay, because we have 33 different options that you can eat at. Not to mention that we have 2 executive chefs here on campus, Chef Tori Bergson, who's cooked for the King and Queen of Denmark, and Chef Brent Gorman, who's cooked for everyone from pretty much the Bush family to George Clooney. Now, they're here to cook for you. Let me tell you about this epic classic battle between, well, maybe some say good and evil, but we just say Rice and the University of Houston. This happened on November 28, 2009, when we challenged Rice University to a chili cook-off. The result? The University of Houston winning, even after Rice chose 3 out of the 5 judges. So you can actually have this award-winning chili at the University of Houston. Just visit the UC. Every once in a while, we will have chili. Also, I gotta tell you, at every great institution, we have our own style of food. Well, Chef Brent Gorman has developed our very own Houston Cougar Red Dog and the Shasta's Blazing Salsa. This is my guarantee to you. You taste this, you will not only taste the Cougar goodness, but you will taste victory wherever you may be, because this is made for the Cougar by the Houston Cougars. So check it out at any baseball game, basketball game, or football game here at the University of Houston. And lastly, I want to talk a little bit about the Green Initiatives, because that is one of our biggest departments here at the University of Houston and University Services. This university is committed to going green, but we need your help. And we've made the first step by giving you guys these plastic bottles. We sure do hope you'll use them over and over again, because this cuts down on the amount of waste that we see with water bottles. Now, the University of Houston has entered the Recyclemania competition 2 straight years, and we've only gotten better. This year we finished 15th in the entire country in waste minimization. That means we're seeing more Cougars wasting less. That's right, more Cougars wasting less. And that means we cut out 90,000 styrofoam boxes by instituting a mandatory reusable container to go program in our dining halls. We also have instituted a new composting program, which has helped us compost over 2,000 pounds during the month of January to March. And we've also recycled over 206,000 pounds in actual weight. Over January to March. But we need your help to continue this momentum for the future. So please let us know if you are in any area of campus that needs a recycling bin. Talk to your colleagues. Talk about shutting off your computer before you go home after work. Visit us at uh.edu/green, where we have our website on different tips and also where the university is going with our sustainability task force and our climate action plans for future sustainability at the University of Houston. So there you have it. This is exciting time at the University of Houston, and we appreciate you, and we appreciate you being a Houston Cougar, a school that was founded on the principles of power, pride, and grace. Welcome to the University of Houston, and go Cougars.